Guys, welcome back to the channel. Here I am back with another lab, that is use Google Form with Google Sheets. So first of all, click on Start Lab, and if you are new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel. So let's get started. Have to open Google Drive in incognito window. So basically in this lab we have to create a form and update the sheet. So now here it is getting signed in automatically. If it asks for username and password, check the lab for it. I agree. I understand. Remove this unwanted pop-up by clicking on the cross mark. So now here we have to click on this and open forms. So basically here we have to open forms and create some data which you will be using for this lab. That is basically about bakery system. So you must have seen bakeries where you buy cakes, bun and many more things. So now click on new, and first of all, many of you may make mistake that you will lead to unnecessary error. So copy the name carefully, and you have to update the untitled form where I am updating. As you can see on the top, if you make any mistake like update on the second part, you will get error. So first of all, update on the heading. It will update the tagline automatically. Now here update the description. Now for question, it will be first name required. Enter here and make sure to change it to short answer and toggle on the required tag. Now finally we have added a duplicate column. For adding a duplicate column, you have to click on the clipboard icon. So as you can see, this is open. Now if you want to add a new tab, you can click on plus, but as you can see, we have already created a duplicate copy, so we have to just modify that one and we can delete the extra one. So here we have to update it to last name required. I hope you are getting what I am trying to say. It is last name required. So copy the name carefully. Now here these two things have been added and required tag has been enabled. So now click on plus icon. Now here we have to add the question, that is the, as you can see, it's email. Now here make sure to remove extra spaces, change to short answer, and again click on plus to add a new question, that is what kind of items are present in the bakery. So from here it has to be updated into checkbox. Don't make multiple choice, just update it to checkbox. And here you have to add the options. So copy carefully, make sure there is no any unnecessary text present here, just paste and it will be added on all the sections and options. So now again click on plus. Now here this is the last question, that is when you expect to open the bakery, just click and select short answer. So finally our sheet is ready, form is ready. Now we'll hit check my progress, we'll get the score without any issue. Now there is the time to submit the survey. For that, click on response tab, click on link to sheet. Now you have to open the new sheet, so click on create. Now make sure to follow this step carefully, otherwise if you miss single step you won't get full score. Apart from this, if you have liked the video, like it and subscribe the channel too. So now here you have to click on file, close this unwanted pop-up, click on file, then click on import, click on import, and I have shared one file which I have shared in the description box of this video. I will tell you how you can download. So first of all, you need to download that file on the description that is present on my GitHub repo. Let me show you. This is the file. You have to click on it and just download into your local system, and then you will follow the next part which I am doing right now. So now you have to click on file, import, then click on upload. Wait a moment, click on upload, browse, and just upload the file which you just downloaded from the GitHub repo. Now this is the most important part. Many of you may make mistake. You have to click on replace spreadsheet. Make sure to click on replace spreadsheet and then we will check the lab. So let's move ahead, and now finally the sheet has been imported. Now time for hitting check my progress and see whether we get full score or not. So as you can see, we are getting full score. So finally guys, we are done with the lab. Do like the channel, subscribe the channel and share with your communities, and have a great day.